Hello everyone, we are from Shell Educational Center. We are representing the model of Vocal for Local. Vocal for Local encourages us to support and promote locally made products. It emphasizes the importance of choosing goods and services which are available in our own country. By being vocal for local, we can increase the national income of our country. Now, my friends will explain you the model for vocal for local.
My name is Prapti Kashinath Munde. I am from Shriram Educational Center. Today I am explaining you about the farming. Farming is main occupation in rural area. Also it is highly income business if we use modern technology. This will help us to grow proper crops and we will get healthy food too. Now if we look at it, farming has stopped in many areas. So we should encourage the farmers for this. Now you can see this is a village. In this village, the organic method of farming is used. There are many business related to agriculture. If farmer do it well, then the related business will also work and people will get work. That local areas and such way we can stop the rush from the city and economical also it is helpful. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Mokchandra Jain. I am today state the vocal for local. Vocal for local means just domestical local business in rural life. The local business in rural areas. Whichever the cow dung, poultry farming, by the cow dung we made the biogas and it connects to all over the village. They use to making the food. The wind turbine. By the wind turbine we get the electrical energy.
Dairy production means producing milk and milk products from various types like ghee, butter, etc. Yeah, dairy farming is most of the important employment for the rural peoples. Through that, especially women get employment and India is the largest producer of milk. Thank you.
My name is Shreya Patel. Here I am explaining you about coconut factory. Coconut tree is that we can use from top to bottom. If we think about its leaf, we can make broom from it, which is very useful for us. If we think about its trunk, we can make creative objects and attractive furniture from it. So this business is very useful for us, which we can start it from our area and we can earn good.
So such business will definitely promote our national income. If we start to use vocal for local from our village, it will increase to level of city, state and in our whole India country. So these are our vocal for local campaign will be successful. Thank you.